Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make healthy kimchi. First, select a fresh head of napa cabbage weighing about 2 to 3 pounds. Cut it into 2-inch pieces. Next, you'll brine the cabbage using about 1/2 cup of non-iodized sea salt. Let it sit for 2 to 3 hours, turning occasionally. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crisp texture and removing excess water. After brining, rinse the cabbage under cold water at least 3 times to wash away the salt. Now let's create the heart of your kimchi, the paste. In a large bowl, mix about 1/2 cup of gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, with 6 cloves of minced garlic and a 2-inch piece of grated ginger. For a touch of sweetness, add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or a similar natural sweetener. Incorporate 1/4 cup of fish sauce, or tamari for a vegan option. Finally, stir in 1 cup of shredded carrots, 1 cup of julienned daikon radish, and 4 chopped scallions. With your paste ready, it's time to combine everything. Put on some gloves to protect your hands from the chili. Add the prepared cabbage to the paste mixture. Gently but firmly massage the paste into every single piece of cabbage. This ensures even flavor distribution. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, sterilized 1-gallon glass jar, pressing down to remove air pockets. Leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top. After packing, let your kimchi ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 5 days. Check it daily for bubbles and taste it to determine your preferred level of sourness. Once it's fermented to your liking, transfer the jar to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process significantly. Your healthy, homemade kimchi will stay fresh for several weeks, ready to enhance any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.